Hey, little explorers! Welcome to DinoDax Learning Adventures. Today, we're visiting a big farm to meet some amazing animals and learn the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go! I hear a big moo. Who could it be? It's a cow. Cows go moo moo. Oink oink! That must be a pig. Pigs go oink oink. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rise and shine. It's a rooster. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! I think I hear hooves. It's a horse. Horses go neigh. Quack quack. Look, that's a duck. Ducks say quack quack. But that doesn't sound like a sheep. It's a goat. Goats say ma. Here's the fluffy one. Ba ba. It's a sheep. Sheep say ba ba. Woof woof. I hear a barking buddy. It's a dog. Dogs say woof woof. Meow! Is that a kitty? Yes, it's a cat. Cats say meow meow. 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 Buzz buzz. What's that buzzing? It's a honeybee. Bees go buzz buzz. This one is tall and fluffy. It hums softly. It's a llama. Llamas hum. Whoa, look at those big horns. That's a buffalo. Buffaloes grunt and growl. Hee-haw! Who could that be? It's a donkey. Donkeys go hee-haw. Cuckoo? That's a city and farm bird. It's a pigeon. Pigeons go cuckoo. Gobble gobble. That's a funny sound. It's a turkey. Turkeys say gobble gobble. This one is quiet, with floppy ears. It's a rabbit. Rabbits don't make much sound, but they can thump. Honk honk. Who's by the water? It's a goose. Geese say honk honk. Wait, a camel on a farm? Some farms have camels. Camels grunt and groan. Cluck cluck! Sounds like someone's laying eggs. It's a hen. Hens say cluck cluck. Look at all that fur. It's a yak. Yaks grunt and snort. Wow, that was so fun! Let's remember our animal sounds together. Cow, moo, pig, oink, rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo, horse, neigh, duck, quack, goat, ma, sheep, ba, dog, woof, cat, meow, bee, buzz, llama, hum, buffalo, grunt, donkey, hee-haw, pigeon, coo, turkey, gobble, rabbit, thump, goose, honk, camel, groan, hen, cluck, yak, snort. Thanks for learning with me, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more fun on DinoDax Learning Adventures.